My name is Omar E. Jones. I'm the president of the Alpha Eta Lambda chapter seated here in Houston, Texas, and I would like to officially invite you to our inaugural Alpha Week from December 1st to December 8th, 2024 in the great city of Houston. This year's theme for our inaugural Alpha Week is Awareness, Aspiring, and Advocacy. We plan to host events using those key themes. Our first event is Foundations with none other than our 31st General President, Brother Harry E. Johnson Sr. at New Faith Church beginning at 7 p.m. Brothers, you would not want to miss out on this event to hear the history of this General President, his 50 years of service as a member of the fraternity throughout all of his leadership. On December 3rd, we're hosting one of our Project Alpha events. Project Alpha is one of the fraternity's many national initiatives, and we're offering education on responsibility to promote informed decisions in healthier lifestyles. This Project Alpha event will be at Dr. Thomas E. Randall High School in Richmond, Texas. Brothers, now on December 4th, we all know what that day is. We're celebrating 118 years as a fraternity of manly deeds, scholarship, and love for all mankind. And what none other way to celebrate is to come on out and celebrate with us at Rock House Southern Kitchen on 6205 Richmond Avenue. Look forward to seeing everybody there to celebrate the fraternity. On December 5th, we're hosting another national program of the fraternity, our Go to High School, Go to College, with a theme, Alphas in Law. This is an educational seminar to learn about careers in the legal industry. This class will be held at KIPP Northeast Campus. Brothers, please join us on December 6th for Fitness Friday, Alpha Fit activity. Alpha Fit is an emerging initiative of the chapter and hosting a holiday run this year at Memorial Park. Meet us here at 6 p.m. All fitness levels are welcome. Brothers, as always, the first Saturday of December, we're going to have our dedication to the jewels beginning at 7 p.m. You do not want to miss this dedication. On Sunday, December 8th, please join us, the Alpha Eta Lambda chapter of Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity, the first intercollegiate Greek letter fraternity, as we worship with the first African-American cardinal in the U.S. His Eminence Wilton Cardinal Gregory is celebrating the motto of first of all, servants of all, we shall transcend all for over 118 years of Alpha Phi Alpha fraternity history. We'll be celebrating with our own very Reverend Reginald Samuels, Vicar of African American Catholics of African descent, formed the Archdiocese of Galveston, Houston, and the co-celebrant Reverend Jason Mangalath, who is the pastor of St. Mary of the Purification Catholic Church. Please join us as we worship together in fellowship and brotherhood. Brothers, it's that time of year again. Join us and the ladies of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, the Omicron Tau Omega chapter, as we host our second annual Ivy and Ice Party with a Purpose toy drive on Sunday, December 8th, 2024. The event is open to the public and admission is free with an unwrapped toy or gift card. All donations will benefit the CHIP, the Childhood Hunger Initiative Power Pack, and Journey Through Life and Arrow Child and Family Ministries. Help us bring in the joy and hope to children this holiday season. As you can see, we have an amazing lineup of events. Please join us for one, join us for two, but try to join us for all as we begin our Alpha Week 2024 with the Alpha Eta Lambda chapter. We really look forward to seeing you.